Hello, this video is to explain how to convert to QAF form. We will use bank to QAF converter for this example, but this video applies to all two QAF converters such as CSV to QAF, PDF to QAF, bank to QAF, QFX to QAF, and others. When you have two QAF converters, on this right panel has the QAF tab, and when you create a QAF file, the information from transaction part will go to QAF file, but there are also things that apply to QAF file itself, and one of these things is account name. An account name is for for certain QAF targets like Quicken 2014, Quicken 2005, or Quicken 2007 for Mac. You need to provide the account name to be exactly matching what you have in Quicken, and this allows you to enter this. And you have to select the account type to be used, and especially important if you use investment transactions for investment account type. And you can specify QAF account, a QAF target. So what happens is QAF is really old format. There's many different software packages were developed and used this format, and they all interpret that format differently or little not compatible with specific accounting software. And so you could use bank to QAF to make your QAF file importable. So let's say you got your QAF file from your bank and it's not important to Quicken. You can use bank to QAF utility to make your QAF file importable for your specific software listed here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of them, and they're all little different small specific details that makes break or not your import process break or not for that specific software. And so another thing is some software allows, or some the QAF format does not provide how to say strict format for dates. So some even accounting software expects dates to be in different format, depending on like for which country you use this software, or which computer settings you have on on your system, like what date format you have. So you have control. If it's not Quicken, you pretty much have control how you want dates. And so if it's um, Microsoft Money or other, you can set date format to be month, day, year, or day, month, year, and so on. If it's Quicken, uh, the date format should be month, day, apostrophe, year. And other settings that you can set is how long you want your name, your memo, and category to be. These are settings for Quicken. So if you set anything longer than these settings, your QAF file will not import. And 63, it was changed. So when you start the software for the first time, you see some numbers here, and these numbers are default numbers for Quicken. But some other software, let's say you need a budget, could import much longer payee names and will not complain. So you can set it longer if you have longer payee names. And another setting is mark all transactions to be cleared. So some users prefer transactions to be cleared as soon as they imported. Some users prefer them not to be cleared. And checks to print, what it will do, it will put in a check number column word print. So when you prepare such checks and then upload them, and then you just say to quicken print, and it will look um, for all transactions with the word print, and will start printing those if, if they meant to be printed on a check paper, on a check template on your printer. And once they printed, the check numbers will be assigned as they are printed, and those print word becomes certain check number. Thank you.